What is the real impact of Senior 20 to insurance on your life? Imagine losing your ability to drive just because of a mistake. That's what an Senior 22 insurance requirement can do. It's not just a form, it's a signal that your driving record has serious issues. When you get a DUI or DWI conviction, or if you drive without insurance, the court might tell you to file an Senior 22. This is a certificate that proves you carry the minimum liability cover required by law. It's filed with your state's Department of Motor Vehicles and stays there 4 years. The first thing you'll notice is how it affects your driving privileges. If you don't keep up with the Senior 22 filing, your license can be suspended or revoked. That means no driving legally. For many people, especially in communities where public transportation isn't always available, this can make life very difficult. You might lose your job if your work depends on driving. Getting to school or running errands becomes a challenge. It's a big deal because your ability to move around is tied directly to your license and insurance. Then there's the cost. Requiring an Senior 20 makes your insurance premiums go up. Insurance companies see you as a high-risk driver. They might charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars more each year. Some insurers won't even offer Senior 22 filings, so you have to go to specialized high-risk insurers. These companies tend to have fewer options and higher rates. For families with lower incomes, this increase can be a real burden. You might have to choose between paying for insurance or other essentials. The requirement usually lasts 3 to 5 years, depending on your violation. During this time, your insurance premiums stay high, and you must keep your coverage active without any gaps. Even a small lapse can lead to losing your license again. This requirement also impacts your job prospects. If your work involves driving, you could lose your position. Even if it doesn't, a bad driving record can make it harder to find new jobs. Moving to a new city or state can also be complicated. You might need to file a new Senior 22 in the new location, and the process can be costly and time-consuming. Your relationship with insurance companies changes too. Once you need an Senior 22, you might be dropped by your current insurer. You'll need to find a new one that covers high-risk drivers. These companies often have less friendly customer service and higher rates. Even after the Senior 22 requirement ends, the record of your violation stays on your driving history. That means your insurance costs could stay high 4 years. Managing an Senior 22 requirement takes planning. Contact your insurance provider right away to understand what's needed. Set up automatic payments so you don't miss any. Keep detailed records of your filings and coverage. When your obligation ends, ask your insurer for an Senior 26 form, which proves you no longer need the Senior 22. For Black communities, understanding this process is especially important. Traffic stops and enforcement can be more aggressive, leading to higher chances of violations that requiring Senior 22 filings. Knowing your rights and preparing financially can help you navigate these challenges better. In the end, an Senior 22 isn't just a piece of paper. It's a marker of a serious driving issue that can affect your life for years. It impacts your ability to work, your financial stability, and your freedom to move around. Being aware of these effects helps you make smarter choices about driving and insurance.